Hello my dear students, good morning and welcome in a third lecture of data handling. Now we have completed exercise number 3.6 up to 6th question. Now today we have to see the question number 7. Question number 7 is the enrollment in school during 6 consecutive years was as follows. This represents 6 consecutive years represent total number of observations 6 as was as follows: 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2550, 2820. Find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. In this question we have to find out the mean. Simply, first of all, we represent the formula to find the mean. Mean enrollment formula is the sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Now make a sum of all observations. First observation 1555 plus second observation 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820 divided by total number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now sum of all observations divided by total number of observations we write down. We make a sum of all observations and total number of observations are 6. Now that sum is equal to 12,348 divided by 6. The sum of all observation is 12,348 divided by total number of observations 6. 12,348 divided by 6, that is equals to 2058. So the mean enrollment for this period is 2058. I hope you understand that easy question and interesting question number 7. Now we have to see the question number 8. Now student, we have to see the question number 8. Very interesting question. The rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. Day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now the rainfall in millimeter on Monday 0.0, Tuesday 12.2, Wednesday 2.1, Thursday 0.0, Friday 20.5, Saturday 5.5 and Sunday 1.0. Now there are 3 sub questions. First question is find the range of rainfall of the above data. First of all, we have to find out the range. In first question, we have to find out the range. For the range, we have to consider the highest value and lowest value. So first of all, we find out write down the formula. Range rainfall, range of is equal to highest value minus lowest value. Now the highest rainfall, if you observe from this table, is 20.5. Highest rainfall is 20.5 minus lowest rainfall is 0.0. Lowest rainfall is 0.0. Now 25.5 minus 0.0, that is equals to 20.5. So the range of rainfall is 20.5. After that, second question is find mean rainfall of the week. Second question is we have to find the mean rainfall. We have to find out the mean rainfall. So first of all, we represent the formula to find the mean. Mean is equal to sum of all observation divided by total number of observations. Now make sum of all observations. 0.0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0.0, 2.1 plus 0.0, 20.5 plus 5.5 and last observation is 1.0 divided by total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number of observations are 7. Now we have to find out the mean rainfall. Now the sum of numerator, the sum of all observation is 41.3 divided by 7. Sum of all observation is 41.3 divided by 7. Divide 41.3 by 7. Divided by 7. 7 4 are 28. 7 5 are 35. 41 minus 35. Yes, 6. Take this 3. 7 9 are 63. So 559. After one digit give the decimal point. So the mean rainfall is 5.9 millimeter. So in this way we find out the mean rainfall. After that, third question, on how many days was the rainfall less than mean rainfall? We have to count in how many days the rainfall is less than mean rainfall. Now count the values which are less than 5.9. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These five values are less than 5.9. So the answer of third question is in how many days? So in 5 days the rainfall mean rainfall. Okay, in how many days the rainfall is less than mean rainfall? That 5 days the rainfall is less than mean rainfall. I hope you understand this question number 8. Now we have to see the last question of this exercise. Question number 9. Now student, we have to see the question number 9. Last question of this exercise. The height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the results are as follows. 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143 and 141. We have to find out the highest height, shortest height of the girl. For this, first of all, we arrange the height of these 10 girls in ascending order. Solution. Arrange the data. Arrange the data in ascending order. First of all, we arrange the data in ascending order. Now, first value will be 128. First value will be 128. After 128, 132 is there. After 132, 135 is there. After 135, 139. After 139, we can take 141. After 141, 143. After 143, 146. 149 and lastly two values are remain 150 and 151. First of all, we arrange the data in ascending order. Now we can answer the questions. First question is, what is the height of tallest girl? Yes, what is the height of the tallest girl? 151. So answer of first question is the height of tallest girl is equals to 151 centimeter. Okay. After that, second question they ask, what is the height of shortest girl? Second question, what is the height of shortest girl? 128 centimeter. The height of shortest girl is equals to 128 centimeter. Okay, in this way we have completed first two questions. Now third question is, what is the range of data? To find the range of data, range is equals to formula highest value or highest value minus lowest value. Now the highest height of tallest girl is 151 minus the height of shortest girl is 128. Make the subtraction. 151 minus 128. Take 11. Take next digit 4. 11 minus 8. 3. 4 minus 2. 2 and 1 minus 1, 0. So the range of the data is 23 centimeter. Okay, range of the data is equals to how much? 23 centimeter. In this way we complete the third question. Now we have to see question number 4. Question number 4 is, what is the mean height of girl? Mean height of girl we have to find. So the mean, we know that the formula to find the mean equal to sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Now make sum of all observations. 128 plus 132 plus 135 plus 139 plus 141 plus 143 plus 146 plus 149 plus 150 plus 151 divided by total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you make the sum of all observation, it will be equals to 1414 divided by 10. That means the mean height of the girl is, as there is 1 0 in the denominator, so after one digit you can do the decimal point. So the mean height of the girl is 141.4 centimeter. Okay, in this way we complete our question number 4. Now fifth question they ask, how many girls have a height more than mean height? How many girls have a height more than mean height? Here I am writing the answer of this fifth question. How many girls have the height more than mean height? Means we have to find out how many girls have the height more than 141.4. Yes, 140, more than 141.4, 143. The girls having height more than mean height, mean 141.4 centimeter are, how many girls we have to count it? First girl, second, third, fourth and fifth. So how many girls have height more than mean height? 5 girls have height more than mean height. In this way, we have completed our last question of exercise number 3.1. I hope you understand this exercise. If you have any